Hi, and welcome to Tech Talk with Victor Ark. And of course, this is your most exciting TV station, Rave Television. Creating a website has become increasingly user-friendly with accessible tools and platforms. Modern website builders offer intuitive interfaces, allowing users with minimal technical skills to design and launch a site effortlessly. Drag and drop functionality simplifies the process of adding elements, while pre-designed templates provide a quick start. Many platforms also offer responsive designs, ensuring a seamless experience across various devices without intricate coding. Well, if you look at it, this ease of web creation empowers individuals and businesses to establish an online presence with efficiency and minimal learning curve. Today, we're going to be discussing with Evans Akano, the CEO and co-founder of Vizy.co. Hi, Evans. Good morning and welcome to the program. Well, let's start off with a question this morning. What is the core technology behind Vizy.co's website builder, and how does it simplify the website creation process for users?
What we've done is to create your regular website builder. However, we have added AI technology to be able to power that up. It runs on the web, it runs on your browser, on your mobile desktop browser, and all you need to do to create a website with Vizy is to describe your business and give us a few details about what language you like your website in and in what industry. And then Vizy is able to harness AI to create all the content for that website, as well as style the website to different brand tones.
Can you also explain the technical architecture that enables users to design and customize websites seamlessly?
Platform, we have taken out all the technology parts that makes it difficult and we kind of make it easy. So like I said before, the only process we have is the fact that you log on our website builder and you add your business name. And once you do that and give us description of your business, we generate a full-on website for you. Behind the scene, what we've done with tech is to use JavaScript code to be able to improve the process, to make it fast, to make it a lot more interactive, and be able to run on any browser without even having to download an app.
Well, in your experience, how does Vizy.co ensure that websites created using the platform are responsive and optimized for various devices?
In our experience, we've created websites for the past 13 years. We understand all the different parts and all the different stages of optimization, from SEO optimization to social optimization and even security optimization. And we've done all of these things in the back so that the end customers do not have to worry about making all those different optimizations. Say, for example, when you generate a website on our platform, automatically that website can be able to rank on search engine results, because as you're describing your business, we are taking that description and using AI algorithms to generate like your search tab and even suggesting a photo that shows on your website when it is being shared. And then besides that, even the security aspect is already guaranteed because every website on our platform is secure.
Let's talk about some unique technical features. Are there any unique technical features in the CMS that distinguishes Vizy.co from other website builders?
Well, there are a few unique things. For example, I think with Vizy is one of the only website builders that can actually run effectively on our device, because most of the other platforms are very desktop oriented, and we believe that the amount of mobile users are on the rise. And we believe that for even an emerging market like in Africa or any other place in Asia, we believe that we can build something unique that enables non-technical people to be able to go online. So one of the unique things about our technology is the fact that it runs seamlessly on mobile device. Our CMS2 is one of the fastest in the market because we find that people add lots of complexity, and we went the other way, designing a product that is actually much more simple with all the technicalities kept behind the user, so that the user doesn't have to interact with anything technical, and they just use simple words to generate something that represents their brand online.
Okay. What are some of the advanced design and customization tools offered by Vizy.co and how do they leverage modern web technologies rather?
So one of the unique things we've done is a design system. Design systems are design tokens that power different parts of a website. Now, we simplify design tokens to be as simple as select your brand type. Is your brand a chic brand or a vivacious brand or a bold brand? And these are simple words people use to describe a brand. Now, by just clicking a button, it automatically customizes every single page and every single section of your website. So with the previous view to customize in every different section, with Vizy is different because in one click, it customizes all the sections in all the pages.
Can you explain how users can also integrate customer code or third-party plugins into their website for advanced functionality?
It is, again, very easy. Once you go to the settings area, you will find a place where you can have custom code added to the website. We've seen our users integrate things like AI live chat. We've seen users integrate custom domains. We've seen users integrate webhooks and even much more functionality to extend our platform. What we believe is that in as much as our primary targets are the non-technical users, we've built a system that even encourages advanced users to make further customizations. And we are glad we're seeing how this has been used by over 28,000 websites in a very short period of time. And we've seen how this can actually push our product a lot forward compared to the existence in the market.
And how does Vizy.co handle website hosting, and what measures are in place to ensure optimal website performance and load times?
Right now, all our websites are hosted on Google Cloud. A few other websites are hosted on AWS, but our preference is Google Cloud. We've seen a lot of speed from the optimization we've done on these hosting systems, because when you do it once with Vizy, it's done for every single user. So people enjoy the fact that while using the editor to create on their mobile device or their desktops, they can see that speed already included. And then this speed we already optimized from Google already supplies to every single website being generated on the platform. There's also a technology about CDN, right? Content Delivery Network. And we've also optimized that such that I think the goal for us is the fact that our end users do not have to worry about anything technical when it comes to launching their brand. And that's what we've solved. And that's what we are getting praised for by customers, that we found a way to kind of simplify this. In one of our customers' words, they said, simplicity is a very, very deep subject, and Vizy has kind of mastered this process.
What security measures are in place to also protect user data and website created on Vizy.co?
One of the things we've done is the fact that analytics on our platform is privacy first. And it's so important that we are not taking much more than any required data from our customers, right? When people subscribe to a website owned by a client or a customer, the data of that person who signed up on the customer website is automatically saved for you within the editor. And then all of that data, you can be able to export it as your own. So think of it like Instagram, where you have the emails of your followers, right? That's the kind of thing we are solving. And we take privacy very seriously. We take data management very seriously. And even when you say, for example, something goes wrong and you're like, you don't want to use Vizy anymore, and you reach out to us and say you want to delete your data, there's actually a button within the platform where you can delete your data. And then you know that every single thing concerning your website is no longer stored on our systems.
All right. As users' websites also grow, how does Vizy.co support scalability and handle increased traffic and resource demands?
Part of this is that we kind of outsource this technical aspect to Google, right? With what we have, Google backing us, we understand that the platform is scalable. We have also ensured that every single aspect of our hosting is secure. Right now, our systems scale as users join. On the day we launched our AI feature, I think we saw about 6,000 websites developed in one day, right? And all of those websites today are online. In fact, that number has increased to almost 30,000 websites being built on our platform, and everything runs smoothly. All the security scores are on the high. Like I said, we kind of spent the past year and a half in building a very secure system and testing that system continuously to ensure that even if multiple users were to hit that system to say they want to create a website in one day, it's still secure. You pretty much have to go hack Google, to be able to get through to us.
Are there some technical considerations for handling e-commerce or high traffic websites?
Yes, e-commerce is one of the important things we are trying to build next year, and we're looking to launch e-commerce before February of next year. Social commerce is actually something that we're considering a lot because we believe that as people are creating their brands online, the next frontier is when to actually sell, products or services from that brand. Our focus on people who want to go digital, and with that, we are building a system that enables you to sell your video courses, sell your time. Say, for example, you want to host a meeting like this, you can have people pay you and then book your time on your calendar. So all of these digital aspects of service-based businesses, we are thinking of how to digitize them just so that the average service provider sell their time even before selling their time such that they can sell their service as a product.
How about integrations? What integrations and APIs are available for users who want to also connect their Vizi.co website with other services or platforms?
So right now we allow people to be able to, we're working on a Notion integration that enables them to move their Notion documents to become Vizi websites or Vizi blog posts. There will also be an ability for them to connect their email newsletter platforms to Vizi such that when they collect emails from their websites, say subscribers, they can be able to export that into a MailChimp or any other email marketing platform. We're also working on APIs that can enable us to connect with, besides OpenAI, any other AI platform out there, such that you can use to generate websites in different languages, as well as, enjoy the ability to either rewrite content or translate content to any other language, even after it's been generated. So there are multiple different APIs we've already catered for. There's also Unsplash integration, where it enables you to easily search through 5.9 million images and have all of them on your website. That way it gives you much more flexibility for images on your website. And we've seen users leverage this to create really good websites without having to worry about the time it takes to, get an image or get the right content.
Could you now help provide some examples of businesses or applications that have also successfully integrated with your platform?
There are a number of them. There is one of the key ones, one of our early customers is Try-Hyphen. Hyphen is a startup in Lagos that is automating finance operations, and their website is running on Vizi. We have a few other landing pages, and in the next few days, you will be able to have that like a showcase section on our website where people can see websites built on Vizi. One of the important things is that I still spend time as a founder to still talk to customers to understand, how they are using Vizi and how they would like us to build into our roadmap, what features they're looking for next, and what other challenges they're having. Because the more we take on those kind of feedback, we kind of optimize the system to ensure that it's easier for the next user who signs up.
And do you also leverage artificial intelligence or automation in the website creation process? And if so, how does it enhance the user experience?
In every way, Vizi is an AI product, right? Right from the bat, when you land on our website, vizi.co, you can be able to create a website using AI. The fact that you're able to tell us your brand name and what is it you do in your brand, and then we generate a full-on website, that's the power of AI. We think AI is like the best no-code tool, right? It's so flexible that you can generate a website in Pidgin English. That's actually how good, AI is right now. What we just did was to create an amazing container or a better user experience such that you can be able to harness that AI to generate things that are really valuable for you. Today, you can use AI to chat, say, using ChatGPT. However, ChatGPT does not give you like an amazing interface. Vizi has created an amazing interface for website building using AI. So from the fact that you want to create the first website, use AI. That's content being generated. You can use AI to translate that content to another language. You can use AI to rewrite or rephrase the content, and all of this works.
All right, thank you so much for staying tuned. Of course, Evans, thank you for your time as well on the show this morning. Well, this is all we can take on today's edition of Tech Talk with Victor Arke. Do keep a date with us next week, Monday. Do enjoy the rest of your day.
The future is here in this video, and it's got robots. The coolest new robotic assistants and other insane inventions. Glasses that work like Tony Stark's, cutting-edge VR tech, and the cutest parking lot robot you'll ever see. Let's see what these machines can do before they take over the world. TCL Ray Neo X2. If you've ever wanted to feel like Tony Stark but without having to save the world, look no further. The TCL Ray Neo X2 glasses are augmented reality, meaning you can finally meet your AI girlfriend IRL. I'm sick of regular reality, so I'm happy to have an augmented one. These glasses have automatic language translation, navigation, and picture-taking features. I hope they have Pokemon Go, too. With these glasses, you'll see things other people can't. It's like schizophrenia, but only the good parts. You can take pictures with them, which totally doesn't sound creepy, and best of all, while you wear them, you'll look like Rachel Maddow. Yeelight Cube. Day in and day out, all I can think about is how sick I am of regular old lamps. Why aren't these lamps cube-shaped, I say? Yeelight has answered my prayers and delivered us a cube-shaped smart lamp. Now these are not your grandma's lamps. These bad boys can stack, change color, and sync with music. Your grandma would pass out. You can stack these up like a Jenga tower, build a wall, and make a room to cry in. So many possibilities. HTC Vive XR Elite. Have you ever wanted to fly, go to space, or talk to women? Those are all unrealistic goals, except in virtual reality. The HTC Vive XR Elite is a game changer. It's next-gen VR technology that does everything better. And you don't have to make a stupid Meta account. Worth every penny. Usually, when I use a VR headset, I break my nose walking into a wall or can't figure out how to get back to regular reality and get trapped forever in the vortex of cyberspace. With advanced motion tracking and room scale technology, I'm probably safe this time. So to recap, reality is the one that sucks, and virtual reality is where I can meet my AI girlfriend's parents. They're making lasagna. JBL Bar 1300X. I don't know about you, but when I'm watching movies, I want the volume up so high that anything under 50 pounds has to be bolted to the floor to keep it from flying into space. If your eardrums aren't bruised after watching a movie, did you really watch a movie? I want to hear every word, note, and explosion as if it were happening next to me. I'm not saying the JBL Bar 1300X can do that, but I'm also not saying that it can do that. It's got a ton of crazy features that use science or something to make the audio from your TV sound clear, loud, and surround you. It would be really creepy if you were watching a scary movie. Parky. Parky is a little robot designed to automatically connect to an electric vehicle and recharge it. It's also so cute, and I want to put a little hat on it. The idea here is that you park an electric car in a normal parking space, and Parky will come over and charge it for you. He looks so sweet. I bet he'd charge your phone too if you ask nicely. I know it's his job and all, but I wonder if it hurts him to have his life force sucked out and put into a Tesla. Well, I guess I could ask any Tesla employee to find out. Parky would be like a service animal if we fed service animals to vampires. Okay, he's a big battery on wheels. I need to calm down. Charge Tree Go. This one's for you Apple lovers out there. Sorry, Androids, you can wait in the car with your favorite music until we're done. Anyway, if you're tired of fighting people for power outlets to charge 3 Apple devices at one time, try the Charge Tree Go. It charges your iPhone, your AirPods, and your Apple Watch all at the same time. If only it could recharge my grandma's pacemaker. Rest in peace, but that's her fault for having an Android pacemaker. Anyway, when you're done with it, you can fold it up and put it away, just like my grandma. Lark Bottle Filtered. You hate the way tap water tastes, or you're in the zombie apocalypse and trying to survive on your own. Either way, drinking from the filtered Lark bottle is like drinking from the fountain of Aphrodite, or so I've been told. Hey, I'm happy as long as it doesn't taste like it's been in a lead pipe for the last decade. The Lark bottle literally filters the water as you drink it from the straw. It removes impurities like chlorine and heavy metals, giving you water purer than a nun's thoughts. It saves you from using disposable bottles, and this way you can reuse your bathwater. Oh, wait, actually, don't do that, unless it's from a gamer girl. Ayo Robot. Speaking of cute robots, any chance I could download my AI girlfriend into this one? Just kidding, I already put her in a smart refrigerator. Ayo is a smart robot designed to do dangerous or dirty human tasks, freeing up time for us to watch the new Sharknado or talk to our smart fridge. Ayo is intended to be a security system, a delivery system, and even a human caretaker. Just don't let him fall in love with another robot. I've seen that movie before. He might not have a pulse, but he's still equipped to care for a room full of grandmas. And let's be real, he can probably drive better than them too. Apure Elite Pro Cordless Robotic Pool Cleaner. Let's keep going with the cute robots. The Apure Elite Pro is a cordless robotic pool cleaner. I was wondering when they'd make an underwater robot vacuum cleaner. If you have an AI boyfriend, just download him into this little gadget and you just DIY'd your own sexy pool boy. Just a little more robot-y. It's a miniature version of the drones they use in the military, but instead of making messes, it cleans them up. It probably can't clean up your pee, so you should probably stop doing that. And you should stop lying about not doing that. Don't make this guy swim around in your pee, come on! EcoFlow Blade. Alright, this little guy takes the cake. Sorry AI girlfriend, I found someone new. This is like a cordless robotic vacuum cleaner, but for outside. This thing sweeps your lawn as it mows, which is so considerate. You can control it with an app, and it has GPS monitoring so you can find it if it gets stolen or sneaks out to go to a party. It'll probably freak out your pets just as well as it mows, and whatever you do, don't let it loose in a large field. It could grow too powerful, too smart, too evil, and listen, you don't want to start the robot uprising, do you?